Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you what is this new silent feature on Instagram. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So this new silent feature on Instagram will let you send a message to someone that won't cause a notification. The recipient will only see the message once they decide to dip into the app. So I will show you how to use this feature. In my Samsung phone I will send a message to this iPhone. Let's try first to send a normal message. Okay, let's try to send it. Notice that in a normal message there always a notification that you received a message. Now let's try to send a silent message. First type this @ sign. You will know that you already have this feature once you see this pop up about silent. Then after the @ sign, type silent. Then next is your message. Once we send it, the recipient will not see any notification, but when you open messages you will see that the message that we sent was already delivered. So that's how the new silent feature on Instagram works. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.